What's up everybody? Happy Friday and welcome to another episode of Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. We made it to the last day of the detail on this Can-Am and you've seen us wash it. We've done the interior, which was a little bit of a new experience because it's not usual for a detailer to use a hose on the inside of a vehicle, but since this car has the portholes, we wanted to get as much dirt out of it without having to clog up a vacuum or use a whole lot of towels. So just simply rinsing it out, that's the easiest way to remove all the dirt and debris that's inside of the vehicle. For today, I'm going to show you guys how to protect and enhance your undercarriage as well as your suspension components and your wheel liners. Using one simple product of Bare Bones, this is a dressing that helps protect and also enhance a deep gloss on any kind of undercarriage component. So just simply spray it onto any rubber or any kind of plastic components as well as your suspension like the coilovers and your A-arms. And then give it a moment to sit here, and then you can take a clean microfiber towel to help even it and spread it out as well as buff up any excess. And then it's going to leave behind a deep gloss black shine, but this is also going to make it harder for mud or clay or grime or anything else to stick to the surface because now it's giving it a super slick finish. So now I'm going to jump on the other 3 wheel wells and then we're going to do one last touch to help enhance and protect the interior. Now as our final step for today, we're going to be using some V.R.P to protect and enhance the interior of this vehicle. Now you can use it on anything that's vinyl, rubber, and plastic, hence the V.R.P. And this vehicle has all 3 of those components on the inside, so all you have to do is basically shake up the bottle and apply a little bit to your applicator. And you can apply it directly to the surface to give it a nice natural shine. What's going to be give it a nice natural shine that's going to be dry to the touch. Simply spread it out here. I'll give you guys a little 50-50. You can see that this half, which has been cleaned but it hasn't been protected, has more of this dull look, but then you put a nice coat of V.R.P on this side and it gives you that deep wet gloss. So just like the Bare Bones, this is going to prevent any kind of cracking or harm that's going to happen from UV rays, and it's going to give it that natural look for as long as possible. So if you guys want to learn more about these products, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com. If you have one of these vehicles or if you want to learn more about them, drop a comment down below, give us a like, and we'll catch you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.